Everybody, welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick video. Excuse me if my voice is a little raspy today. Allergies are killing me, but want to do a quick little update video and show how our new Greenlight Redlight system works. So what we do is, I'll just show you. So if you are a premium member in the Discord and a day trader, by the way, I'm thinking of doing this for swing traders too. But basically what I'll do is I'll put a green light up or a red light. So when you have a green light up, you are clear to trade calls or go heavier on calls. That means the market's bullish and you should trade bullishly off the 5-minute chart as I teach. When there's a red light up, then you should trade puts, day trade puts, and puts only, or go heavier on puts if you want to play some lottos. But understand that whatever way is up. So if I have a quote unquote red light up, then you should go heavier on puts or only play puts. Green light, only trade calls, or go heavier on calls. So let me show you a little bit how that works. So again, we had our green light up this morning, and we had a call play. We got a buy signal at about 10 o'clock, and I'll jump to the charts and I'll show you. So let's do this. Let's go to the chart. Okay, so here's market open. So you ignore all this stuff right here because it doesn't matter. We're not trading all this stuff pre-market. We are looking at signals after the market opens. So if you can see, there's this tan area here, and at 9:30 here, it opens. So we got a sell signal here. We got a red sell signal. If you look, our MACD crossed bearish. Our wave trend was at extremes. So could you have entered puts? Well, according to the system, no. You don't want to trade puts. You only want to trade the buy signals and the calls when we have a green light up. So you can see if you went against the system and you tried to trade puts, you lost here, most likely. Maybe you got a little lucky and you made, maybe single-digit percents real quick, but it ripped your face off here if you took any more than, got in, at any moment other than the right moment and got out any moment other than the right moment, you got hurt bad, So that's why we have this system up, and I'm going to keep this system going every day. If it changes throughout the day, I'm going to change it with, with what I'm seeing. But this will allow you to take advantage of these plays. Traders say, "Oh, well, I don't know which trades to play." How much more simple can it be than if I tell you red or green? Red means stop or puts or don't trade if you don't trade options, whereas green means go and buy calls and be bullish. And you can see what happened here. These calls, if you did trade them, ran up to 100%, more than 100%, excuse me, on these calls. And whether you took profits along the way or wherever you took, you made some healthy profits, whether it was 10%, 50%, 100% or more. So that's the new system, and that's or not the new system, but a new addition to our day trading system. And again, I'm cooking up a way to have it on some longer trades, some swing trades too. If you guys have traded me with a while, you could probably imagine what something like that might look like, because everything that I do is connected. There's if I do something with one time frame, it almost always translates to another time frame. So if we take advantage of something like this with day trading, first to take advantage of with swing trading, all you do is push the time frame back a little bit. So that being said, right now we just have it set up for day trading. We're giving a little try as far as day trading goes, and we should get. So far, it's been pretty good, and you can see, like I said, so we had the green light up. You stay away from puts. You don't trade puts, or you trade, because there are some times where you could take advantage, but like even here, you might have been able to make 10% here, maybe, so that's why I say either don't trade them or trade them very, very, very carefully, very light, and go heavy on the calls, and let the calls run, and you can see why, you know. I mean, these calls just ran, pretty much all day long. So that's the new system. It makes it. I can't make it any easier for day traders to say, hey, stay away from puts, only trade calls. And then when, obviously when it's bearish conditions, we do the opposite. So, anyways, while we're here, I have like 3 minutes. I'll do a quick market update in terms of what we're looking at. So again, we got our false signal yesterday. This was our first false signal. The last, I think, 8 or 9, maybe even 10 trades in a row or 10 signals in a row were correct. And this one right here was a false signal. We then got the buy signal here, and you can see we ended up trending back upwards. Now, where are we at now? So if you look here, we are now back at pretty much at extremes on the wave trend. This is why I said kind of be ready. We're out of the trade for now. And look, we're protecting ourselves here, right? Yeah, we could have went bullish, but the conditions weren't really. We could have went with some calls for swing, but the conditions really weren't there. But again, day trading them worked out great, whether it was yesterday or today. But that's coming to an end here, or maybe not right this minute, but soon, because we're going to start to get some pushback again. And even though the signals didn't work out here in our favor, we did get a drop. It did drop. So granted, it came after hours, so we weren't able to take advantage of it. And then we got our face smacked when we tried to, get in towards the end there. But it doesn't always happen like that, so it doesn't always come after hours. So we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll keep an eye out for our wave trend to change, and get a sell signal, because we're again pushing back up bullish, but that's got to come back. We got to come back down at some point, and come back down to earth a little bit. So when that's going to happen, I don't know. I can't tell you. Maybe tomorrow. But right now we're pushing up towards pretty much at 520 now, and we'll see. I think I said in some video we could push up to like 520, 522. That would be a good area for us to push up to, and then maybe come back down from there. So we'll see if that happens. But I'll keep you guys updated. Anyways, I got to run. I'm actually hopping on live with our premium members right now. To do kind of a Q&A, touch base with everyone, make sure everyone has their question answered. So if you guys aren't a part of the premium group, make sure you join. The value's there for sure. If not, like and subscribe to the content either way, and I'll keep pushing out the free content to you. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys' support.